I've burnt my pan. The plastic had moulded to some of the rice. It was a drama.
There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes.
Good morning, guys, and happy 1st of November to you all. It is Thursday. Late morning for me because I took the kids to school today. Willow made a Frankenstein and Isaac made a puppy. Oh, but bless him. So Isaac, if you say you're going to do something 100%, you have to do it. You can't deviate away from it. And I told him that I was going to his stay and play, but I needed to take the other two first. Now I expected Isaac's stay and play to be for at least half an hour, so I thought I'd have a good 10 minutes with him. But when I got there, the parents were already leaving, so I got to his classroom at about 9:20 because I have to walk all the way around from taking the other two, and obviously they've got jobs, you have to stay with them to do their jobs. Oh, my heart sunk. He was so upset, bless him, because he thought that, I don't know, maybe I'd forgotten, or you know, that I was lost somewhere in the school grounds, so his teacher was looking after him. But it's all alright now. They let him come out and we did a bit of colouring together, big cuddles, because I give very good cuddles, and he went in fine. But that's why on his picture his eyes were a little red, because he was quite upset that he thought I'd missed it. So on the way home I came across, and I'm so excited about this, I came across a UK woodpecker. Seriously, guys. So I'm going to get Dave to input the video footage that I got. It's not the greatest video footage. The first part you'll be able to hear, and then the second part was when I actually managed to get hold. But just in case if it's not close enough for you, this is what one looks like. So I'm now waiting for the tram, then I'm going to head to a couple of shops when I get into town, and then off to work. Then off to work. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Guys, I don't know. Oh no, it's flown away. Oh no, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to see. There's a little, I think it's a woodpecker, guys. And it's oh, where's it gone now? It's making the loveliest. Let's try and zoom in and see if you can see it. It's making the nicest songs, and I can't seem to find it. I can see it, but it's just getting the camera to focus on it. Try stepping back a bit and then see if you can see it. Oh, guys, I've just found, where's it gone now? It's hiding. I've just found a woodpecker. I've tried zooming in as much as possible. There we go. Can you see it? It's not singing now, but it was singing earlier, and look at that red on its tail. Oh, please sing again. It's hiding now. Oh, it's not doing it now. It was just making the most glorious sounds.
Hey guys, so it's actually really late now. The clock says it's 20 to 12, it's not 20 to 12. We just need to put a new battery in. Willow has got my phone, she's watching Toys Unlimited. She should be in bed, but she had a nap earlier, so there's no point in taking her to bed. And I'm on
Burnt.
lemon chicken. Yes, burnt. The chicken isn't burnt, the chicken's fine. But for the first time ever, I decided to use boil in the bag rice. Boil, whatever it's called.
It's meant to make it easier.
It's meant to make it easier. I find proper rice much easier than that because I did what it said, put the water in, left it for 12 minutes, went back, all the water had dissolved. I've burnt my pan. The plastic had moulded to some of the rice. It was a drama. I will not be using boil in the bag rice again. I will just go back to basics and use normal rice and cook it how a normal person does. So we're going to enjoy this, and we've changed our Virgin contract. So we've got lots of programs now that we need to watch before it gets wiped, before our contract changes. So we are literally going through our box, and we're going to start off with, what's it?
Making a murderer.
No, we've watched that.
Oh, Paul O'Grady.
Paul O'Grady, The Life of Dogs.
I made a love heart.
You made a love heart. Show us again.
It's gone.
Oh, it's gone. Show everyone your face. You hurt yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
She dropped her toy on her face. She also sneezed and headbutted the baby gate. So they say things come in threes. Please don't be a third thing.
They do come in threes. I got your burnt tea.
Well, I can deal with that then. In a bit, guys.
Hey guys, so as you can obviously see, it's daytime again, which means we didn't end yesterday's vlog. It's just one of those days, and I've been battling a migraine for a few days now, and yesterday was quite bad. I was at work and I could literally, like, all the bones here were just throbbing. Today, so far so good. So yeah, it was just one of those days. We ended up not really vlogging because we didn't really, not so much we didn't have time, but it was just a mad rush to do homework, like reading, you know, tea, and then Dave's still not feeling well, so it was just a combination of things. So sorry that today's vlog is so incredibly short, but as we always say, such is life, and we keep it real for you guys. So yesterday was a short one. So if you've enjoyed the video, no, honestly, if you appreciate what we do, even when we don't do much, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you are new to us, please click that subscribe button and join our tree squad. It's just amazing that the family that we've grown with you all, and we love it. So we would love more people to join us and see how amazing our tree squad family really is. Just watch while I cross the road. Vlogging and crossing the road is not a good thing to do, guys. So that's it from us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.